9, and name of the chapter 9 is the buildings and structures. Buildings and structures. Name the following structures and buildings. So first one is given in the book, Bridge of Sand and Rock between India and Sri Lanka. What is the name of that bridge? Adams Bridge. Second one, a shell-like structure in Sydney, Australia, which is built along a river. That is the Sydney Opera House. The Western Wall of Temple of Jerusalem, Wailing Wall. The Wax Museum of London, that is the Madame Tussauds. The structure built in Athens initially as a place of defense and for administrative work, that is the Acropolis. The wall which divided a European city for about 40 years, that is the Berlin Wall. The biggest dam across the Nile River in Egypt, that is the Aswan Dam. The headquarters of International Court of Justice are located at The Hague. The famous huge statue of Jesus Christ on a small rocky island in Rio de Janeiro, that is the Christ Redeemer. The tallest minaret in the world made of bricks, that is the Qutub Minar. The ancient places and temples discovered in the heart of jungles in Cambodia, that Angkor Wat. The most sacred place for the Muslims in Mecca, that is the Kaaba. And next I will take revision from chapter 10, flower festivals of the world. So here flower festivals, that is the ways to display the colors and beauty of the flowers through the shows, gardens, parks, fairs and music and festivities. Let us learn about some of these famous and colorful flowers festival of the world. So here you will see in diagram, you can see that different flower festivals of the world. So you will read this chapter and you will read and learn. Then now come to the chapter 14. Chapter 14. Chapter 14 is the concern corner. Human activities threaten the health of our oceans. Let us find out what some of these activities are. So over 18,500 million liters of domestic sewage reaches the coastal environment each day, and most of this is discharged untreated due to lack of treatment facilities in most cities and towns. So how much million liters? 18,500 million liters of domestic sewage without treating it discharged in the oceans. And tons of the plastic, glass, metals and other garbage also end up in the sea every year. And the use of chemical fertilizers is increasing all over the world. These chemicals get washed down by rain into the rivers. And there are significant reserves of crude oil in our seas, but exploration and drilling of this oil pollutes the water through discharge of wastes, including traces of oil into the sea. In some parts of our seas, the seabeds is mined for certain minerals. This mining increases mudiness in water. Amazing fact is given here. By avoiding just one flush a day, you could save about 17 liters of water. Now find out, you have to find out the names of 4 endangered animals of the world. You have to find out 4 endangered animals of the world. This is your homework. In power stations and certain industries releases hot water used for cooling into the seas, causing thermal pollution, and shipbreaking activities are also a big threat to the health of oceans, and during these operations iron particles and paint containing lead end up in the water. Commercial fishing, where mechanized boats use nets and other technology are used, leads to over-exploitation of fish and other marine resources. And aquaculture is being carried out in the large tracts along the coastal areas. This activity releases large amounts of organic and other wastes into the sea. Nowadays, these activities are growing in an unregulated manner. So, did you know ocean is divided into 5 main layers or zones? Oceans are divided in how many layers? In 5. The first zone begins at the surface where sunlight warms the water. First zone is the surface water. And the last zone begins some 11,000 meters below in pitch black area where the water temperature is just above freezing point. And MS English, sea life exists in even the deepest zone. So till here you will take revision.